Alright, so I'm sure as you remember from the last assessment where you walked on the treadmill doing Davies test, the push-up, moving your hand, and overhead squat. From that, I made a few observations on where you could use some work on your overactive muscles. So here we're going to be doing inhibiting and lengthening those overactive muscles. So first off, what you're going to do is some SMR, which is myofascial release, which is foam rolling. So what I'm going to have you do is sit down, going to have you roll out your calves, and from there I will explain to you what you're going to do. Alright, so now to begin your rolling out of your calves. So for starters, you're going to hold yourself up and slowly roll up and down your calf until you feel like a tight spot, and when you get to that tight spot, I want you to hold like the foam roller in place and apply pressure for 30 to 90 seconds or until that tight area goes away. So go ahead. And then you're going to do that on both legs. Alright, now that you're finishing up your next or your other calf, we'll go to your hip flexor complex. So I'll have you stand up and I'll show you how to go on the foam roller. So you're going to go down and you'll want to roll like right here on the body, here, because you're on that side. Go down, have one leg out like this, and one like this, and just roll until you find a tight spot, and hold for 30 to 90 seconds again. So go ahead. I'll have you hold that for 30 to 90 or until tightness goes away. Now that you've done your self-myofascial release, I'll have you do some static stretching to lengthen the muscles. And from the observations that I made, I could tell your hamstrings could use some work. So we'll just go into some hamstring stretching. So I'll have you do two different static stretches. First, I'll have you just go like this and reach out, hold the stretch for 10 seconds, and then next I'll have you sit on the floor and reach for your toes. So go ahead. Hold that for 10 seconds. Do the other one. Good. And then I'll have you sit on the floor and reach for your toes. Okay, and the other one.